Hey everybody, at BV Matson here. Mad progress has been being made on the 1965 CB77 Superhawk, mounted an exhaust system tonight. David Silver Spares has been out of those reproduction originals for over a year, so had to get creative, and I'm telling you, look at how beautiful this is. I think it looks really sporty. I think it fits the bike. Had to do a quick adapter in the middle there, but I love this little cutout. Check this out. It's got a little angle to it. And man, I spent some time getting those all leveled off and looking sweet. Look at this bike, man. This thing is minty. It's minty. Figured out the rear brake cable. That's all good. This was actually really easy. It just mounts to a mount right here. That's all there is to it. We've got a little grease there. No big deal. But check this out. Oh my God. Let's go to some pictures here. We can get some close-ups of it. It's kind of tucked in the corner. Tough for me to shoot, but what do you think of the Superhawk? I'm getting so excited. We're getting real close. We got to get the points in, get it timed, get the chain in. I've got a little issue with the chain guard. I'm going to have a guy come over and actually weld in a little tab. I'm missing a tab, so I might have to repaint some of this. See how that goes? That's kind of my big hurdle here. And then also just get the carbs and get it connected to the airbox. And then we should be really good. But let's take a look at some photos. All right, let's take a little closer look at the exhaust. Really nice clean set off of another restoration project. We're replacing some mufflers on another one, and these were just hanging out. A little adapter to expand it, and they mounted right up. Had to get a little creative with a mounting bracket. Was able to use an existing mounting point for the original exhaust, which is great. And I don't know, I think they look pretty rad. So yeah, it's looking pretty minty, and I tell you, the wiring has been really easy as well. Brake light switch, it's all matching colors to that loom coming out of the main engine. I mean, seriously, everything is working great. Let's turn the key into the on. Here we go. High beam, low beam, high beam, low beam. That's working. Do we got a horn? Yep, we got a horn. Horn's working. Do we got a rear brake light? Yeah, we got a rear brake light. I don't have a front brake light working just yet because I'm still working on the front wheel. But check this out. I do have some oil dribbled down into the cylinders. Yes. Everything's working, man. Everything's working on this bad boy. This is actually your neutral light, that's your neutral light right there. So needless to say, I'm getting pretty excited. I'm getting pretty jacked. This thing looks great. This exhaust, I think, is going to work out beautifully. We've even got over on this side, if I can show you, all the linkages. Pretty much the left side is pretty much all done, and just look how minty fresh. All that is looking. We've got all fresh wiring and everything all underneath here. Just got to get the petcock, the carbs, the points plate, get it timed, and then I'm waiting on some new spark plug caps, waiting on those. We're getting there. We're getting there on the Superhawk. If you enjoy the videos, please don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to hang out with some fellow wrenchers, be sure to hit up the Facebook group, the Keep On Wrenching community group on Facebook. And if you want a free sticker, don't hesitate. Head on over to keeponwrenching.com and get yourself a free sticker. This is fun, man. This is the fun stage. We're getting so close, but it's also to the stage where it's like, what have I forgot? What is going to go wrong? What's going to happen? So it's all about dotting I's, crossing T's, and crossing your fingers as you approach the finish line on the restoration projects that we're working on. This 1965 CB77 Superhawk is coming together real fast. We'll see you in the next video or live stream.